Hello students, today I will tell you the summary of the play The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice is written by William Shakespeare. It is a romantic comedy and we can also call it a tragic comedy because it depicts the downfall of Shylock. It was written during the second phase of Shakespeare's career, which spans from 1599 to 1608. During this period, Shakespeare wrote many romantic comedies. In this play, The Merchant of Venice, uh, the chief character is Antonio, who has friends Bassanio and Gratiano. Bassanio wants to marry Portia, who lives in Belmont. Portia is a very rich, fair, and virtuous lady. Her father has left a will after his death. According to this will, the person who wants to marry Portia will have to choose one box. There are three boxes. The one is of gold, the other is of silver, and the third one is of lead. Um, There is a picture of Portia in one of these boxes. The person who finds the picture of Portia uh, in this in the box will be able to marry Portia. So, according to her father's will, uh, the person who chooses the wrong box will have to make a promise that he will never propose to any woman thereafter in his life. So many princes even fear to try their luck, uh, and many others failed, and many others fails and goes away. The Prince of Morocco tries his fate and he chooses a wrong box. He chooses the box of gold, uh, the golden box, and in this box he finds a skull of a dead person. Uh, and the second person, who was the the Prince of Aragon, also tries his fate, and he chooses the box of silver, and in this box he finds the picture of a blinking idiot. Bassanio wants to marry Portia. He loves Portia and he believes that Portia also loves him. And he wants to present before Portia as a gentleman, but he has no money to make his journey and to appear as a gentleman. So he asks his friend Antonio to give him some money, but Antonio has no money ready at hand because his ships have gone uh, to the sea, and his money depends on his ships coming back. But Antonio consoles Bassanio that he will provide him money. Antonio asks Shylock to provide him to give him some money. He asks 3,000 ducats uh, to he asks for 3,000 ducats to Shylock. Shylock is a Jew by religion, and Antonio is Christian by religion. Both were enemy of each other. They hated each other. Still, in his need, Antonio um, asks money from him. At the first, at the first instance, he refuses to give Antonio money, as many as at many as many times um, Antonio has made fun of him and has called him a dog. So at first he refuses to give him money, but at the latter thought and to take a revenge from Antonio, he says that he will provide him 3,000 ducats, but he will have to make a bond, and according to this bond, he Shylock will be able to take 1 pound of flesh from near his heart if Antonio fails to provide him money in 3 months' time. So Antonio accepts this bond and seals the bond before a notary. And his friend takes this money and goes to Belmont to marry Portia. And he spends some time with Portia, and then he chooses the box, and he chooses the right box. He chooses the box of lead, and in this box he finds the picture of Portia. Um, Bassanio doesn't believe in show and gaudiness, so he chooses a simple box of lead, and which is the right choice. He marries Portia, and he receives a letter from Antonio in which he is informed that Antonio has forfeited the bond, and now Shylock wants his 1 pound of flesh. He's not ready to take back money. He only wants 1 pound of flesh from near the heart of Antonio. So Antonio wants to meet Bassanio at his last time. So Bassanio decides to go back to Antonio as soon as possible. So Bassanio and Portia has a maid whose name is Nerisha, and Bassanio's friend Gratiano wooes Nerisha and marries her, and so both of them get married, and they return back to Venice.